to you all. I am ALEN XAVIER from Green Team C. Today I am going to prepare Ayurvedic cough syrup. The ingredients that I am using are tulsi leaf, kupemeni leaf, 1 betel leaf, dried ginger powder, pepper powder, tippili, adimaduram, 2 glasses of water and sugar. Take the leaves of tulsi, kupemeni and betel and boil it in the water. Also add dried ginger powder, pepper powder, tippili and adimaduram. Boil it up to the 2 glasses of water becomes into 1 glass of water and stir it. Next, change the water to another vessel and add sugar in it. Boil it to make the 1 glass of water into half glass of water when the water gets sticky. Off the flame and leave the syrup to cool down. Now our Ayurvedic cough syrup get ready.